What's up, guys? Do you live somewhere that has a parking garage just like this one? Are you wondering how you can help to protect your ride? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 ways on how you can protect your ride in a parking garage just like this one. So I personally kind of got bamboozled on my parking spot. When I got my condo, I was shown a different spot. I was shown a spot that was kind of almost like a standalone. They have some over here near the elevators. It was its own little spot. It had no parkings on each side, so I was stoked. But then when I found out that I had this spot in the middle and I had 2 cars that were almost pigeon-toed one day that I came to check it out, I was a little worried. So I began looking for ways to help protect my car, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 different ways. The first one is a product. It's an actual product. I started looking on the internet for any products that they have available. Amazon has one, Home Depot has one, and I decided to go with kind of the Home Depot version. I'm sure they sell it other places, but they're called door guards, guys. So I'm gonna show you what the door guards are, and I'm gonna give you guys my little review on them. All right, guys, so I'm not being paid by this company or anything like that. Shout out to Home Depot for you know, holding a cool product, but I didn't get it for free or anything. I just bought it like anybody else. And here they are. These are called door guards, guys. And when I first got them, I was pretty stoked on them. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, okay, these will work. This can do the trick, right? You just kind of sort of pop them up right here. Use the suction cups and you're good to go. Just kind of sort of line it up to where they will be opening their door so you don't get dinged. But what I've noticed is the suction cups are not holding. So I'm coming out and they're falling off. There's some missing, but I noticed they also give a couple little extra holes. There's actually 3 extra holes, maybe more, that you can kind of drill in. These are like not drilled, but they kind of have these like potential little hole spots so you could put your own suction cups. That's probably what I'm gonna end up doing, but I haven't had any issues, guys, because of the second and third reason that I'm gonna kind of give you. Actually, more so the second reason that I'm gonna give you is what has benefited me the most, more so than these door guards, but these are good. I'm just gonna have to get some suction cups. I'm actually gonna reach out to the company. It turns out that they're in San Diego. Door guards, San Diego, or Park Smart. Let's see, they're called Park Smart. So Park Smart Auto Care Products, Inc., San Diego, California, guys. So they are called Park Smart. I believe on Home Depot's website, they were kind of categorized as door guards. I could be wrong, but I will put the link in the description below for those. Like I said, there's no affiliate link or anything like that. I'm not getting paid for it, just to share it with you guys. So they work for a little bit, but like I said, I've been coming out and I've been seeing one of them on the ground, or I've been seeing one of the suction cups popped off. So I'll reach out to the company, see what's up with that, see what they think, but it's a pretty easy fix. Just gonna have to get some better suction cups for it over there, and I think it's good. They're not that long, so you might need to get 2 sets if you're really worried, but I'm not too incredibly worried. I just wanted to try to line it up to where they would be opening up their doors. But I've found out that there isn't supposed to be somebody in this spot. So I'm gonna kind of squeeze over a little bit more, but for the most part, I'm gonna be dead center in my spot just because I don't wanna have any problems with anybody. But I heard there's not supposed to be somebody in this spot. I guess the unit's available or something along those lines. So we'll get more info on that. But for now, I wanna at least not be in anybody's lines at all in my spot and try to protect the car. So I do throw those on. But I've noticed that they can become an issue if they fall off and they're in the person's spot. Now that person has to either run them over or kind of get out and move them, and that becomes an inconvenience. So you definitely don't want that. So before I put them on again, I'm gonna get better suction cups, guys. It's just kind of how I am gonna roll with that one right there. So let's jump into the second reason or second way that you could help to protect your car in a parking garage. You can see somebody stepped on it already. I'm guessing one of the person that was parked next to me, because it's like, yeah, they probably didn't even see them. So they got out of their car, this thing's on the ground, so they stepped on it. At least they didn't run it over. That would be even worse though. Okay, guys, so for me, this is all about peace of mind, protection. I don't want to be up trying to sleep at night worrying if my car is getting dinged. So it's all about peace of mind. So this second reason is giving me the most peace of mind, essentially better than even the door guards. And what it is I talked to the neighbor. I talked to 164. I says, hey, look, listen, they have a Mercedes too. I think they have like a 250, right? And so I talked to them and they were stoked. They're like, oh my God, what kind of car is this? They were asking me a lot of questions about the car. They're huge Mercedes fans. They were super, super chill. They said, look, listen, we're gonna squeeze over as much as we can. We will be careful. Do not worry. You have a Mercedes, we have a Mercedes. We are family. I said, all right, great. And that alone gave me peace of mind, because now I know that they know, that we all know that, hey, I love this car. I want to try to protect it. I don't want to get it dinged. Please be careful. I will obviously be doing the same. And so it seems like we're on a good little thing there with the neighbors. So that is the biggest thing I recommend you doing. If you're worried about your parking garage spot, talk to your neighbors, guys, and that'll kind of help to give you the peace of mind that you need to know that your car's not getting dinged out in the garage down below. All right, guys, so the third way is probably the best way if you can pull it off, but it's gonna be to move spots. It's gonna be to request, if you're in a building that you own, a condo that you own, and it's a shared building, you need to talk to HOA, get that figured out, see how if you can switch spots with somebody. In my particular building, we have like a bulletin board where you can kind of post like, hey, look, listen, I'm willing to put up some cash for a spot, if somebody's willing to trade or something like that. So it does happen, and that's, I guess, what happened with my spot. So the spot that I was shown was traded to somebody else. I'm not sure if there was a financial compensation on either end for that, but that is what happened with my spot situation. So you can always try and trade your spot, offer up some cash, tell somebody you want to trade them spots, and kind of go about it that way. I mean, if you can do that and you can score a really good spot, I mean, that's obviously the way to go. I got the ball rolling on that. You know, I got the wheels turning. I'm trying to get a different spot for the car. Yeah, I'm trying to get a different spot. You know, I mean, I like this spot. It's not bad, especially if nobody's going to be parking in 166. But I would like to have a standalone spot that I was shown. So I'm going to be trying to get that spot back. In fact, I have knocked on the dude's door twice now, with permission of like the building. They say, hey, look, go knock on his door, talk to him, but he hasn't answered. So we're going to go see what's up with that. We're still trying to track him down, guys. Here's the AMG. We're going to be firing it up. Going to be getting down on a little vlog today, going through downtown, just hanging out, having some fun. Be sure to check it out. Be sure to check out the channel, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I need to get the subscriber number up. So let's get it up. Let's run up the channel. It's all about it this year. So, 2025, we're going to be getting it down. We're going to be doing a lot of content, guys. A lot of fun stuff here in downtown San Diego, all around San Diego, North County, East County, you name it. We are going to be doing it, guys. So be sure to tune in, and we'll catch you on the next one. Much love.